Smelling good in here. Let's go ahead and add some sauteed garlic butter shrimp.
Hey cooks, trying to make a quick and easy meal for 2, 4, maybe even more?
Don't worry, as always, we got you with some shrimp stir-fried with vegetables and noodles. We just want to take a quick pause and say thank y'all for y'all love and support. T was in the ER. We figured some things out. We're just going to say if you got something going on with your body, get the blood work done for the science, and then check around with doctors, get different opinions. Don't go with the first one you see. We appreciate all our doctors and nurses out there. T is back. She's all good, and we thank y'all for y'all patience. Now let's get back to cooking. That was our PSA for today. Now the good news is stir fry, you can use whatever you want, like this small bag of stir fry from Kroger, or we got a big bag. We can mix and match. These come with the sauces. As you can see, these have 2 packs, so we like to use these. But use what you want. We're gonna grab a bag of shrimp that we just got out the freezer. Now if you got fresh shrimp at the deli, it'll be a little bit cheaper. These have a little water in it after you defrost it, so we like to pour this water out. And then we're gonna go ahead and peel the shells off of these and devein them. Now we're not gonna go through this whole video as we already have another video on cleaning and peeling shrimp, but as you can see, we're just gonna open it up. You're gonna pull this shell off like this. Get a nice grip, it slips right off. Oops, I didn't mean to throw that in there. We'll show you what to do with this later. But basically, you're gonna take this vein out right here down the middle, and we do both. We devein and we get the poop chute from the back. Make sure you get this out. Some restaurants don't, we do at home. We do both, just makes it clean tasting shrimp. This right here, keep the bag because you don't want to put them in here. You don't want this stinking up your trash.
Ew.
Put that in your recycling or dispose how you wish to. We'll go ahead and do a whole bowl of shrimp and then we'll cut them into 3s. Check out our how to peel shrimp video. It'll go in detail of how to do this. Sorry y'all, this is one of our first ones, so give us a break. All right, we're back. They're clean. We're gonna go ahead and cut these into 3s. This way you'll have more pieces per bite. Instead of whole shrimp, you can make a meal go longer. And again, you can look at our sauteed shrimp and lemon garlic video. This will teach you how to cook it up with some seasoning. On our stove, we have our saucepan at about a medium to high heat. You can pour these in frozen, it won't hurt. They'll have some moisture on it, no worries. Just be careful if you're using the bags with the sauces in them. See, like this, make sure you pull it out. This bag has 2. We're only gonna use half a bag and we're gonna use one of the other bags, which is smaller. So if you're making for a small crowd, you can use a small bag. If you got a big family, you can use the big bag. We'll wrap this up, save this half and the other pack of sauce for later. And remember folks, you can use anything. We're using shrimp in this one, but if you want to use chicken or steak, or if you want to add something where there's no meat or seafood protein, use baby bella mushrooms. Now let's go ahead and that sauce packet, you want to heat this up or leave it on the stove or use your hands to get it to warm up and melt. Oh crap, I busted it. No worries, we'll still use it. But you're gonna want your vegetables to heat up a little bit, so we'll put the lid on, let them steam for a minute before we add our sauce. Here's our sauce that I mistakenly busted earlier, but it's okay. We're gonna use this and squeeze it all out the package. We're using 1 pack only. We'll save the other pack. Reason why is we'll teach you a little secret. You can add some of your own sauce to your flavoring in. We'll do that a little bit later, but right now we just wanna get our vegetables melted and get it all stirred and mixed up. Like what you see, or you just hungry? Go ahead and subscribe for some tasty eats and quick treats. We appreciate y'all and appreciate the love. Thanks for kicking it with us, and we'll keep cooking for y'all, fam. It's been about 10 or 15 minutes or so. Let's pull the lid off. Watch out for that steam. And here's a little additive. So sometimes we'll use red hot sweet chili sauce. But as you all know, Tay just got out the hospital, so we're gonna use something a little simpler. This is our sweet and sour sauce if you want something just a little sweet and tangy.
Come on y'all, you know they'll never give you enough sauce. Now for the best part, that garlic buttery shrimp we made earlier in a side pan. And remember, you can add chicken, shiitake mushrooms, baby bella mushrooms. Just make sure you saute them up with some butter and some seasoning. Now this is pretty seasoned, so if you want to add some pepper or some dash, go ahead, but it's pretty seasoned with the sauce that they give you and what we put in already. You just want to make sure you got enough so it coats every bite. We'll give this a quick stir again, and it's smelling the whole house. So everyone's gonna smell this. You can eat it hot or cold. It lasts for days in the fridge. Go ahead and grab a bowl, and we'll put a scoop or two on here. It's just me and T today, so we didn't make a big batch, but remember, this is enough to feed the whole family if you do the whole bag.
Delicious.
If you've got any leftovers, kudos. For storage options, check out the recipe card on our site. We hope you all enjoy, and as always, thanks again for stir frying with B&T.